Hello students and viewers, Assalamu alaikum. Good day to all of you. This is Akhtar Zaman welcoming you all to today's session. Today in this session, I will focus on different steps of free writing. Students, we know free writing means writing in one's own languages, own sentences on a particular topic to make it a unified and coherent piece. There are a number of steps of free writing. Let's take a look at them. Dear students, when you come across a topic to write on it, at first you have to do one important thing, and that is brainstorming. At first, brainstorming. What is brainstorming? Dear students, brainstorming means generating ideas in the brain. That is, you have to try to generate idea on a particular topic, and generating ideas is called brainstorming. After brainstorming comes mind mapping. Mind mapping. Mind mapping means organizing the ideas to get prepared for writing a piece. That is, in brainstorming, you have generated the ideas, and in mind mapping, you have to organize those ideas. After mind mapping, you have to be specific. That is, you have to outline the points to be discussed. So after mind mapping comes outlining. So what is outlining? Outlining means to be specific, to make the important points for starting your writing. So at first comes brainstorming. That is when you get a topic, you have to generate ideas on the topic, and after brainstorming, you have to organize those ideas. This is called mind mapping. After mind mapping, you have to be specific and you have to make the necessary points in short. And this is called, so mind mapping is followed by outlining, that is to make necessary points for writing the draft. After outlining comes drafting. So drafting is writing in the script. That is, you started with brainstorming, then did you do you have done mind mapping. That is, at first the first thing is brainstorming. When you come across a topic, you have to generate ideas on the topic, then you have to organize those ideas. This is called mind mapping. After mind mapping, you have to be specific, you have to make the necessary points in short. This is called outlining. After outlining, you have to make drafting. After drafting, there is also another step, and this is called revising. Revising, you have to do revising. Revising means you have to take a look at the diction, that is choice of words, and if you want to improve your writing, you may need to change the sentence structures. So changing sentence structures in need and paying attention to choice of words is called revising. So revising helps you improve your writing. After revising comes another thing. What is this? This is called editing. So after revising, you have to do editing. Editing means taking a look at the basics of writing. That is, you have to make necessary corrections related to capitalization, punctuation, spelling, etc. And after editing, the writing you make is your final drafting. So these are the major steps of free writing. So let's summarize what we have discussed today. Today we have focused on free writing. What is free writing? Free writing means writing in one's own sentences on a particular topic to make it a unified and coherent piece. And there are a few steps of free writing. The first thing is brainstorming. That is, when you get a topic, you have to generate ideas on the topic. After brainstorming, you have to do mind mapping. That is, you have to organize those ideas. Then comes outlining. You have to be specific and make necessary points for drafting. After outlining, you have to do drafting. That is, you have to do your first writing. Then after drafting, you have to revise your draft. That is, you have to make necessary corrections related to your sentence structures or diction. After revising, you have to do editing. That is, you have to take a look at the basics of writing, such as spelling, punctuation, and other basic things, such as capitalization. After editing, you have to do final drafting, and this is your writing. So these are in fact the major steps of writing. See you very shortly. Till then, Khuda Hafiz. Have a nice time. Thank you very much. Thank you all.